This is Andrew Warburton with MyNeighborhoodVideo.com. This is one of the videos in the series on California Oaks in Murrieta, California. So if you're heading north on the 15, you're going to exit right on California Oaks. And we're 3.5 minutes from the freeway. One of the first streets you're going to turn right on after Hancock is Saradella. And this is Saradella. This development was built 1988, 1989, 1990 it was being finished up. These homes were in excess of $400,000 back in 2006. And now you can buy a home in this development for a single family home, single story home like this one across the street here. You'd be able to buy this home for about $160,000. Imagine that. Your payment's around $1,100, $1,200 a month, even with PMI, even with an FHA loan. And check out the home path loans now. No MMI, no mortgage insurance, no appraisal. They'll pay money towards your closing costs. You can live in a house like this for $1,500, $1,600 a month. This is in Murrieta off California Oaks. And I want you to notice the wider streets, the well-kept homes. Values have dropped here 60%. 60%. You're an hour from San Diego, an hour from Palm Springs, an hour and a quarter from Los Angeles, and you can live here in a safe neighborhood with great schools for $1,200 a month. You know, you can't rent an apartment for that. This is Southern California. Look at the weather. It's March. What's the date here? March the 11th, I think. And this is the weather that you have. Some of these homes have RV parking, which is a huge advantage because a lot of people like to go out to the desert and take quads and so on out into the desert. Every now and again you'll see a home like this. You need to call me about these homes that are short sales and foreclosures and pre-foreclosures. We'll be glad to help you and give you lists of them. This is not going to last forever, this market. I remember in the 90s when I was selling real estate. And we thought this bad market was going to last forever. And then suddenly it was all over. Now we're seeing more and more, I say more and more, I don't want to exaggerate. We see quite a number of these abandoned homes where the banks have foreclosed and haven't released them yet, or have not yet foreclosed and it's in the process of being foreclosed. Again, we can give you lists of these homes. We want to help you find a bargain. And when the bank-owned homes come on the market, they go fairly quickly. So it's important to get yourself pre-qualified. So again, this is a neighborhood. We're on Saradella, right off California Oaks. We're just 5 minutes from the freeway in Murrieta. Let me take you down maybe one more street. Well, actually, we'll keep going. We're on Castile now. Now, there are many neighborhoods in Murrieta built in the 2000s. So remember, there were two major building phases here in the 80s and then in the 2000s, at the end of the 80s. And here we are. This is all built in 1988, 1990. You see no graffiti, no derelict homes, family homes, pickup trucks in the driveway, mom, dad, kids, some retired folks who love the weather. It never gets too cold. Look at those blue skies and the palm trees. So, this is Andrew Warburton with MyNeighborhoodVideo.com. We have lists of homes for you. We'll be glad to help you buy a short sale or a foreclosure. This is a beautiful community. Look at your school in the back here. Elementary school, great schools in Murrieta. You can search any property in this area by going to MyNeighborhoodVideo.com. Thank you so much for watching. Don't hesitate to call and ask us any questions. And please put your comments at the bottom of the video. We appreciate your comments. Thank you.